Hey everyone, my name is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to Aurelia, your trusted friend in the jewelry business. Today we are doing something really exciting. We're going to answer one of the biggest questions I get. Is it really safe to buy an engagement ring online from a giant like Blue Nile? You see all the beautiful diamonds on their website, but what do you really get? What does it look like? What does it feel like? And most importantly, what are the traps you need to avoid? I recently went through this entire process myself, and I'm going to share my brutally honest results with you. I ended up with a spectacular ring, but I also almost made a critical $1,000 mistake that isn't obvious on their website. And my goal with this video is to make sure you don't make that same mistake. So stick with me. We are going to unbox this package step by step. Then I'm going to walk you through the exact process of how I built the stunning 1.63 carat oval ring you see in the photos online. By the end of this, you'll have the confidence to build your own perfect ring. Let's get into it. All right, so this is what arrives at your door, a completely plain anonymous brown box. Now, I know what you're thinking, it's not very glamorous, but this is exactly what you want to see. This is a critical security feature. The last thing you want is a package on your doorstep screaming, "Hey, there's a $10,000 diamond ring inside." Blue Nile's discreet packaging is your first sign that you're dealing with professionals who understand security. Now, once you open that outer box, the real experience begins. Inside, you find this, the signature Blue Nile inner box. My first impression is this has some serious weight to it. It's a heavy, sturdy, and beautifully made box wrapped in this deep blue textured material. It feels premium. It feels important. This is the moment you stop opening a package and you start unveiling a piece of fine jewelry. As you open it up and it has this very satisfying magnetic closure, you're greeted with a masterclass in presentation. On the left, you see this beautiful folder. Inside here is all of your crucial paperwork, the official GIA or IGI diamond certificate, your appraisal for insurance, and the receipt. And on the right, perfectly nestled in the center, is the main event, the ring box itself. It's all incredibly clean, organized, and designed to build that sense of excitement. Okay, this is the moment your heart starts beating a little bit faster. The box itself is just as high quality as the main one. It has that same substantial premium feel. It's the little details like this that build a huge amount of trust in the quality of what's inside. And there it is, the grand reveal. The moment you open that box and see your diamond ring catching the light for the first time. My honest first reaction was a genuine wow. It looked even better in person than it did in the 360-degree video online. The sparkle, the brilliance, it's immediately obvious that you're looking at a high-quality piece. All right, the ring is out of the box, and now it's time for my jeweler's inspection. Before I even think about putting it on, I'm looking at the craftsmanship. I'm looking at the prongs, making sure they're secure, evenly spaced, and set perfectly against the diamond. I'm looking at the polish on the metal, searching for a flawless mirror-like finish. And on this ring, the craftsmanship is impeccable. It is clean, secure, and expertly finished. Now for the ultimate test. The one question every online buyer is dying to know. What does it look like in the real world? A diamond can look great in a photo studio, but natural sunlight is where a great cut either shines or gets exposed. And this ring is just breathtaking. The light performance is spectacular. It's alive with sparkle and fire. This is the final confirmation that what you see online with Blue Nile is what you actually get, a truly spectacular A++ product. So the unboxing was a huge success, but how did we get here? Let's switch gears and I'll walk you through the exact process I used to build the final ring, and I'll reveal that critical mistake I almost made. All right, our mission was to build the stunning 1.63 carat oval hidden halo ring from the pictures online. The first and most important step is always to find the perfect diamond. I started my search and I found this, a GIA certified 1.55 carat D color VVS1 clarity oval lab diamond. On paper, this diamond is a supermodel. It has the highest possible color grade, elite level clarity, and it's certified by the best in the business. Now, my initial excited instinct was to immediately click select this diamond, and that would have been a huge mistake. Here's the mistake I almost made and the one you must avoid: trusting the paper over your own eyes. A certificate, even from GIA, is only half the story for a fancy-shaped diamond like an oval. Ovals are notorious for something called the bow tie effect, a dark bow tie-shaped shadow that can appear across the center of the stone. This is not on the certificate, but a bad bow tie can kill a diamond's sparkle. I watched the 360-degree video of this diamond, and while beautiful, it had a faint but noticeable bow tie. So I kept hunting, and I found the final 1.63 carat diamond that I ultimately chose because its video showed superior, more even light performance. You must be the final judge. The video is your most powerful tool. You can find the link to the exact diamond I analyzed in the description below this video. Okay, with our perfect diamond selected, it was time for the setting. I wanted something that felt classic but had a modern secret touch of glamour. That's why I chose this exact Petite Hidden Halo Solitaire Plus setting. From the top, it looks like a timeless solitaire, but from the side, you get that secret hidden halo of tiny pave diamonds that adds an incredible touch of sparkle. It's a brilliant design, and I've linked this exact setting for you in the description as well. And here is the final product. You see the stunning GIA certified 1.63 carat oval diamond, you see the beautiful hidden halo setting, and you see the final all-in price of $4,397. For an heirloom quality ring of this size and spectacle, that is an incredible value. It's a testament to Blue Nile's smart, transparent building process. You can see the link to this exact completed ring right in the description below this video. So what's my final verdict on the Blue Nile experience? It is overwhelmingly positive. The packaging is luxurious and secure. The quality of the diamond and the setting is exceptional, and the value you get is undeniable. But the most important lesson is that you have to be the final judge. A flawless certificate is a fantastic start, but you absolutely must use the 360-degree videos to confirm the diamond's real-world beauty with your own eyes. Trust the process, but always trust your eyes. Thank you so much for coming on this little shopping trip with me today. My name is Mehdi Hassan, and this is Aurelia. If this guide helped you, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel out. And be sure to subscribe and click that little bell so you don't miss our next Insider's Guide. Remember, all of the rings and the specific diamonds we talked about are linked right in the description for you. I'll see you in the next one.